So in this section, we'll discuss about order books. So generally, order books as a level of data. So really total four levels of data. This level 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as of now, as a retail traders, for us level 2 and level 3 data is available in our brokerage terminal. Based on the broker you are using, the data may vary, but level 2 data is available in every broker terminal in India. But level 3 data as of now, if I am not wrong, it is available in Zerodha. Okay, first of all, let's look at what is level 2 data. So if you open your order book in your broker terminal, you will get to have 5 best bid and 5 best ask. Okay, on your left side this is called as best 5 bids, on your right side the best 5 ask. Okay, so now always remember to complete one single transaction in market. So as of now, the best top first bidders in this image is 11,026, and the top best limit order sellers is 11,026.95. This is limit order by the buyers and this is the limit order by the sellers. Okay, so now unless until sellers is ready to buy at 11,026 or sellers is ready to sell at 11,026 or buyers is ready to buy at 11,026.95, in this example no transaction will get placed and the stock price will not move either up or down. Okay, there are different cases. For example, the current best limit order is 11,026 and the sale order is 11,026.95. Okay, what will happen is any other buyers will come up at 11,026.20, means 11,026 will go down and this limit order will be the topmost buying, and on the same side 11,026.70, if someone is placing a limit sale, it will come as the first top and the 11,026.95 will go down. Okay, so this is how an order book looks. This is a level 2 data which is available in every broker terminal. So this is level 3. Okay, what you are seeing difference between the level 2 and level 3 data is 5. You will get only best 5 bid and best 5 ask. That means best top 5 limit orders by the buyers and top 5 limit order by the sellers will be available. On level 3 you will get top 20. Okay, top 20 limit orders, limit buy orders and top 20 limit sell orders. And on this quantity section, you could see this is a quantity which is getting plotted here. 145, 100 quantities, 5, 5, 5. This is all quantities. Look at this. When there is an increase in quantity when compared to this, relatively this bar is getting developed, that is 2,425. That is, the volumes are more. The more limit orders are placed at 211 levels. Always remember, any round number will have a bigger volume in most cases. For example, let's take an example of a stock price is trading at 1010 levels. Okay, so mostly what happens is at 1011, 1012, it goes on. Every round number 1015 will have more and it goes on 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18 and 1020. Okay, in 1010 and 1020, this is a clear round number. More orders will be placed. Okay, because most traders are showing interest at the round number to place their orders. Okay, so now you can ask me, what is the use of looking a level 3 order rather than level 2? If you ask me, there is nothing major difference you're gonna implement here, but But for example, let's take an example. You have taken a buy entry. In the same example, you have taken a buy entry at level 210 rupees 50 price, which is the best selling orders. You have taken a buy entry. Okay. Now let's assume you are placing a stop loss at 209.50. You are placing a trigger of this stop loss. Generally, stop losses will ask you two. When you place a stop loss, it will ask two different things. That is trigger price and the price. Okay, trigger price means if you are placing a trigger at 209.50, you have taken a buy entry, so you will place a sale side stop loss. Now you are placing a trigger price as 209.50 and the price you have made a 10 paisa difference and you are placing a 209.40. Now remember how this level 3 data is useful. It is giving a 20 best top buying and top limit sale orders. Now 209.50 you have placed a say sale side stop loss. Let's assume you have bought one quantity. Okay, so you are placing a stop loss for the same one quantity. So now look at this 209.50. At this price level we have 10 orders placed with 809 quantities. So now you could know that at my trigger price there is a limit buy order sitting. So if my price comes down, my stop loss will get triggered. But always remember, in a stop loss, if trigger doesn't, when at the trigger price there is no limit buyers, if you are placing a sale side stop loss order, price will go further down, but still your stop loss will not get triggered. Okay, you will face more losses. Okay, so always this, for looking that when you are placing a stop loss, if the limit order is available in the trigger, your stop loss will get triggered and you will cut your losses. But when it comes to, if there is no trigger, no price of limit orders is being available, the stock price will move further down and you will face more losses and your stop loss will not get triggered and you will be not out of the system. This is one of the way you can use this level 3. Other than that, from my experience, there is nothing special information we gonna get it from the level 3 order. Okay.